Welcome back friends. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. तो आज हम करने वाले हैं सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन. हमने इसके पार्ट 1 में किया था चैप्टर डिस्कस एंड वी अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो अभी हम शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम बिकॉज टाइम इज़ सो प्रीशियस. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आफ्टर रीडिंग द चैप्टर आई नोज दीज पॉइंट. आफ्टर रीडिंग द चैप्टर आई नो दीज पॉइंट. First is, I know that first generation computer used vacuum tubes and were very slow. यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, एग्री डिसएग्री. डिसएग्री का मतलब कि गलत है, एग्री का मतलब है कि सही है. तो यहाँ पे एक बार मैं दोबारा रिपीट कर देती हूँ. आई नो दैट फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर यूज्ड वैक्यूम ट्यूब एंड वर वेरी स्लो. सो यहाँ पे एग्री होगा, ठीक है, ये सही है. Second, I know that the second generation computer used transistors. ठीक है, यहाँ पे है I know that. So यहाँ पे है I know that the second generation computer used transistors. Okay, तो यहाँ पे agree है, agree. यहाँ पे right answer is agree. Third, I know that third generation computer used integrated circuit. Third is, I know that third generation computers use integrated circuit. Answer is agree. Agree, it's correct. Fourth, I know that the fourth generation computer use microprocessor and are fast. So here the answer is agree. Fifth, I know that fifth generation computers use artificial intelligence and are very fast. So I know that fifth generation computer use artificial intelligence and are very fast. So the answer is agree. Now we are going to do exercises. First, pick the correct answer. A part is, the first generation of computers started in. The question is, the first generation of computers started in. The options are 1958, second is 1946, third is 1846. So the correct answer here is 1946. Okay, the correct answer here is 1946. B, the second generation computer use transistors. B part is, the second generation computer used transistors. C, the first commercial computer delivered to a business client was. The options are ENIAC. ENIAC. Options are ENIAC. Second is PC. Third is UNIVAC. So the correct answer is UNIVAC. The first commercial computer delivered to a business client was UNIVAC. D, Intel 404 is an example of the dash computers. So Intel 404 is an example of dash computers. So the answer here is fourth generation. Okay, fourth generation. E, the fifth generation computers are based on. The fifth generation computers are based on. Friends, ये जो आंसर है वो हम सबको पता है, that is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Now we are going to do fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. A, computer generations are categorized according to the technology of basic dash. So the answer is computing elements. Computing elements. B, dash and dash are the example of first generation computer. ENIAC and UNIVAC. ENIAC and UNIVAC. C, the second generation computers use dash language. Here the C part is, the second generation computers use dash language. So assembly language. Okay, assembly language. D, in the third generation computer, the transistors were replaced by integrated circuits. Integrated circuits. E, The fourth generation computer used dash. The fourth generation computer used dash. Microprocessor. The fourth generation computer use microprocessor. Okay. F. The goal of fifth generation is to develop the computers that can respond to natural language. So now we are going to do 3. Match the following. So I'm repeating first A column. Okay. Machine language, chip, multi-purpose computers, IBM 140, self-organizing. So now I'm going to repeat the second column. Okay. So machine language, इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट जनरेशन. ओके. B. Chip is the answer of third generation. C. Multi-purpose computer R किसका है ये? सेकेंड जनरेशन का. D. IBM 140. IBM 140. We have revised in the chapter that this is the part of fourth generation. Self-organizing. E part, fifth generation. Okay, that is still in the work. Fourth, write T for true and F for false statements. ठीक है, यहाँ पे A है. The first generation of computer produced a lot of heat. Yes, we have understood in the part 1. The first generation of computer produced a lot of heat. So the answer is true. The second generation of computers use assembly language. That is true. The third generation of computers used vacuum tubes. That is false. The integrated circuits was used in the fourth generation of computers. That is correctly true. E part, the fourth generation of computers used artificial intelligence. That is false. So now we are going to discuss the question answers. Okay. Chapter number 1, question answers. What do you mean by the term generations? The first question is, what do you mean by the first term generation? Answer. Generation means remarkable improvement or growth and development in computers technology. Okay. The answer is, generation means remarkable improvement or growth and development in computers technology. Second, how many generations of computer are there? Write the time period of each. Answer. There are 4 duration of computer. 5th are still in development. Generation means the 5th is now still in the work. So now we are going to discuss the time. Okay. So first generation computer 1946 to 1958. Second generation computer 1959 to 1964. Third generation computer 1965 to 1970. Fourth generation computers. So fourth generation computers 1971 onwards means it's now. अभी जो टाइम चल रहा है उसमें भी ये चल रहा है. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दैट इज थर्ड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज अ माइक्रोप्रोसेसर? A microprocessor is a small chip that does all the processing in a computer. A microprocessor is a small chip that does all the processing in a computer. Fourth, write the difference between first and second generation computers. Fourth is, write the difference between first and second generation computer. First generation computers uses vacuum tubes. The size was very big. The operating speed was very slow. They were very expensive. वो बहुत महंगे थे. Example, ENIAC and UNIVAC. Now, second generation computers use transistors instead of vacuum tubes. The size was really smaller. The operating speed was fast. They were cheaper. वो बहुत सस्ते थे. Example, IBM 140 Mark III. Now, fifth question. What is artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that is associated with the concept of machines to perform tasks such as learning, problem solving, planning, etc. I'm repeating the answer again and with question. Fifth question is, what is artificial intelligence? Answer: artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that is associated with the concept of machines to perform tasks such as learning, problem solving, planning, etc. So, friends, I think that you watch my video without skipping. So, thank you so much for watching this video again. Bye bye, take care. Thank you. We will meet at the part 3.